Vocabulary Quiz Set 11. Part 1 is matching. Directions. Match the words to the definitions by writing the letters in the blanks. 1. Blemish. 2. Obstacle. 3. Fatigue. 4. Despise. 5. Postpone. 6. Nomad. Now after I read the letters, you want to pause after each one, so then you can find your match. A. To put off until later, to delay. B. Look down on intensely, to hate, scorn. C. A mark or stain that damages the appearance. D. Exhaustion from work or lack of sleep. E. People who move from place to place. F. Something that gets in the way, a barrier. 7. Consist. 8. Conclude. 9. Haven. 10. Blunt. 11. Straggle. 12. Hospitality. G. A safe place, sanctuary, retreat. H. To stray off or trail behind, wander. I. A friendly welcome and treatment of guests. J. To be made up of, includes, contains. K. To finish, to decide after careful thought. L. Having a dull edge or point, outspoken. Part 2, fill in the blank. Directions, fill in the blanks using the word bank below. In our word bank we have nomad, conclude, postpone, fatigue, haven, and obstacle. Number 1. The blank never stays in a city for more than 2 months. 2. There was a or an blank in the middle of the road which was dangerous. 3. By looking at the student's grades, we can blank that they studied. 4. At the end of the 5K run, he was overcome with blank. 5. We will blank the yard work because it is raining. 6. The reserve is a blank for endangered animals. Second half, in our word bank we have consist, blunt, blemish, straggle, despise, hospitality. Number 7. If you blank from the group, you might get lost. 8. You may lose a friend if you are very blank with them. 9. All the guests were touched by her blank. 10. The banana had the slightest blank, so Joe would not eat it. 11. The conversation seemed to blank of many funny jokes. And 12. Most people blank temperatures below 0.